Gator hunting. Let's see, what do we have? We have one on the line. Ryan has him on the line. The hooks are set.
And look away. Why are we shoot it? Don't look at the shot.
A little higher. Right there.
A little bigger. Keep coming. I don't think he's 10, but I think he's a little bit bigger than. We need to pull him up. Frank, I'll get this. You want to go? Another pulling in them. Hold on. Leave him in the water.
Video.
Let Frank go.
This sucker just tried to attack me.
Because it's going to be loud, so cover your ears.
Okay.
This is the extra pump.
Here it is.
I mean, I know I got him. The blood is flowing.
That's why you got to point blank these suckers.
Well, it's kind of hard when they're moving around.
Oh, geez. Yeah, there we go. He's still alive. Woo!
You got an eye out for me, man.
I hope he doesn't have a mama that's mad.
Get a good shot out. Got the pin out though.
Dang.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, gosh. He's still moving.
No, he's good. No, we're going to be careful. We're going to pull him up top. I'll cut his head.
Can we, like, strap his mouth or something?
Yeah, we're going to. Do you have
Dang.
tape? Yeah, Frank's got tape.
Woo!
I think this is it. This is the last of his.
That was real scary, bro.
I kid you not.
I had to like do some toot, like on my tippy toes. Boom, boom. It's like dancing here, man. Oh, God.